Okay, this is XAU. That's the daily. Yesterday, gold didn't quite hold very well, and we're seeing here in the index that it actually punctured through the support of the 200 moving average and through the support of the horizontal. There is definitely a case that we might be going for an extension of the triangle where we're going to peg the end of the D right here and not here. And that is essentially going to be our E leg. Okay, this is now becoming the more favorite scenario, the more favorite wave count that I would suggest you work with. And it will be different, of course, if you get suddenly this. Yeah, this kind of wave count where we are an extension of the E leg would suppose that you're going to see this. Basically muddling through, not doing much for quite a few days, maybe a week or two, and that will end the fourth wave, and then we're expecting the big rally. Okay, so that was not a 1, 2, 3. Mr. Market says it's more like an ABC, taking us now on the road to complete the E leg. Okay, we have the chart of silver here. Silver is pausing at a level that was in the past quite a problem for it. Do you see that? An extension of these two horizontal lines. It is still struggling. The wave count that I had in mind, where this is going to end up being a 1, 2, 3, 4, is not dead. It's still there, can still work, but it is very clear what silver needs to do, what it shouldn't do. Yeah. Silver has to turn up like that. That's your fifth wave. Silver turning down, that's going to turn into an ABC, which means that further muddling through, perhaps for another 2-3 weeks, perhaps longer. Okay, that is the situation in silver overall. I do not expect in any shape or form a total meltdown in silver. No, no, no. I don't see this as an option. I could be wrong, but muddling through and just doing nothing for weeks on end, yes, silver could do that, biding its time. Let's have a look at that's the 4-hour scale. It's pretty heavy going here. You can see that we have this as a 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, not impossible. Some might say I have to do this, which is not totally out of question. The only problem is that your fifth wave here on the mauve scale is going to be not quite a match to what we've got here, you see. That's why I stick with this option for now. So that's my thinking concerning silver at this point. It really got no business coming down, breaking through this level. If it does, then it tells you this is almost certainly an ABC. Right here, that's 25.33. Mustn't come down, breaking through this level. That'll be a confirmation that we are leaving behind an ABC, and the muddling through will continue for weeks. Okay, we've got gold here. That's the daily. I said that gold managed quite a slide yesterday, and it is raising the prospects that we are going to end up with an A, B, C, D, and that's going to be our E leg. Okay, so it's going to basically not do much for maybe a month more, because what you see here, this is 2 months. Yeah, the lines here separate each month, you see. So that could effectively take us on the road to non-eventful price action for as much as 2 months. Let's go to the 60 minutes. Although it's a touch premature to call it a failure to deliver a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It can still possibly work. It's similar to the case of the wave count that we have in silver, yeah, but it's got now problems. The problems are pretty obvious. Yeah, I'm using a line chart to net out the spikes. It's just about possible to treat this as a 1, 2, 3, 4, but should it slide further through the low of yesterday, forget it. This is an ABC, and the extension of the E leg right here would become the best option. What it needs to do, it needs to really recover substantially, or at least stay around here to complete an elongated fourth wave, and then there is a chance that our fifth wave is coming, and this will not be revisited, okay? Because if you have an ABC and it goes down, there is a chance, although I don't think very high chance, that it'll go back to 1680. Okay, so that's a detailed analysis of gold at this point.